Hi students, happy week 3. I wanted to share another piece of public art with you for our update this week. This is from the school where I went to college, Cal State Northridge. And Northridge is really known for having a lot of murals on campus to kind of express the campus's history and values and culture. So I wanted to share one of those murals with you, especially since you'll have an opportunity later this week to discuss whether or not COC should consider adding some similar murals, although with a different topic than the ones that Northridge has. So for our first couple weeks, we were getting accustomed to the class, so I hope that you now feel accustomed and comfortable finding everything that you need on Canvas, and also started working on our first essay about public art. Week 3, we're going to continue our work on essay 1. I will be giving you feedback on your topic proposals, and you'll continue building onto the essay as this unit goes by and as this week goes by. The other thing we're adding that is new is we're going to start in on our critical thinking lessons. So we'll be using our book, From Critical Thinking to Argument, to help further enhance our critical thinking skills and practice some of the different concepts that the book introduces. I also wanted to give a quick reminder that Monday is the Labor Day holiday. So I will not be online on Monday, and if you're at all able, I would hope that you weren't online either, so that you can take the day off and enjoy the rest. I also wanted to address kind of our typical weekly schedule because we've had a few students not meet deadlines. So just for your own kind of calendar planning, um, your own preparation, I wanted to share with you the typical weekly schedule so that you can make note of when things are due. So Monday through Wednesday, you have time to read any assigned readings that we have or watch any assigned videos. That is also when I reach out to you kind of one-on-one just to sort of check in and see how everything's going. And then Thursdays and Saturdays is when you have work due. Um, so if it is a discussion board week, you'll have the original post will be due on Thursday and the replies are due on Saturday. You may have other assignments due as well, so make sure that you're checking Canvas and checking the calendar. But they are almost always due on Thursdays or Saturdays. One of the only exceptions I can think of is the final draft of Essay 2. The Saturday it would have been due is October 31st, which is Halloween. And just in the interest of having a good time on Halloween, I pushed the deadline back one day to November 1st, which is a Sunday. So that's one of the few exceptions. Almost always your work is going to be due either Thursdays or Saturdays. Now we're going to take a moment to look at Canvas for the week so you can see what your assignments will be. So here's our Canvas page. I've skipped right down to the work for week 3. And let's just do a quick run through of the assignments that you'll have due. During week 3, you'll be watching this video, reading a chapter from our textbook, and also watching a short video on implicit bias. If you aren't able to get a copy of our textbook yet, Amazon does have a very generous book preview available that offers the entire first chapter. So I posted the link here so you can read the first chapter there if you don't have the book yet. We also have a writing exercise for Essay 1 so that you can start brainstorming the reasons that will help support your argument. So I posted a sample here to see kind of what yours might look like. You would do this for the argument that you are making for Essay 1, so that way you can use your own notes to help you with your essay. You'll also have your second Flipgrid discussion due. And this Flipgrid discussion is considering the question, should College of the Canyons commission a mural to honor the original Native American inhabitants of the land, the Fernandeño Tataviam Band. So for this Flipgrid, you're not presenting your own perspective, the kind of yes or no. What you're thinking about are some of the issues around having that mural. So you're thinking about who cares, who is this issue important for, what is their perspective likely to be, And then second, what's the purpose of the mural? Why have it? Is it likely to achieve its purpose? And are there any other consequences it might have? So this gives you a chance to practice some of the critical thinking skills that are present in that first chapter. And then you'll also have a reflection on obstacles to critical thinking, which the book lists quite a few. You'll have a chance to think about kind of your own experience and whether or not you have experienced these obstacles. This assignment I've taught before, and it tends to get a little personal. So I made it something that was not public. This is just between you and me. No one else is going to see your answers except me. No one has to reply to your answers. So feel free to be honest as you are working on this reflection. And then the last thing that's due this week are your essay one review draft. Peer reviews are due next week. But your review draft is kind of your first draft for essay one. It's called a review draft because it's the one that is peer reviewed by your classmates. And kind of the criteria for what a review draft should be is here. And that's it. Those are the assignments for the week. I really look forward to reading what you're working on and seeing your progress on your essays. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me by text, by email. You're welcome to come visit my student hours. I am happy to work with you. I hope you are doing well and take care. We'll talk soon. Bye.